Hey everybody, welcome to another Origami Wednesday. Today we are going to make these cute little Christmas shoes. Now in some countries, instead of hanging a stocking by the fire, they would put their shoe by the fire. Idea is the same, you put it there and you wake up and there are treats inside your clothing. Personally, I'm a fan of anything you can put candy in, as you well know, and this one you can definitely fit a little bit of candy. I've always thought that having a stocking would make more sense just because socks have more give so you can fit more stuff in them, but I suppose if you only have one pair of socks and they're keeping your feet warm, you still deserve the candy. So then you put your shoe by the fire and that works. Okay, so what we're going to do, first we're going to fold corner to corner diagonally. Okay. Then we're going to make our ice cream cone kite. So we're going to fold one side to the center, we're going to fold the other side to the center. We're going to flip it over. I'm going to fold this point up to the top point. Okay. Flip it over so that the bottom of the bowl is right there. First thing I'm going to do here is I'm also going to fold this side to my center crease. Okay. For some reason this paper is making it hard to see today, but that's all right. I'm going to unfold it and I'm going to fold this side over to the center crease as well. We're going to use those here in a moment. But before that, I'm going to take this crease, hang on one moment. I'm going to take this side up to the very top. Okay, on both sides. And then I'm going to open this up, fold along that, and now I've got this little triangle at the top. So I'm unfolding along this crease that I made. I'm popping this guy over, and then I'm pressing this down. So yes, I have kind of a little extraneous crease right here. I'm not going to worry about it. What I have right now is a heart where the two tops of your hearts are a different color. That's exactly what we want. Okay, I'm going to take one of my flaps and I'm going to fold it so this edge goes underneath those. Okay. I'm going to flip it and do the same thing on the other side so that this goes underneath those. Okay, so we have what looks to me kind of like a speedboat, or perhaps it's two mountains on a lake. I don't know. We can do lots of things. Now, I'm going to tuck this point inside this mountain. Now, I didn't crease it first because I want to get it in there as much as I can before I give that a nice hard crease. Okay, we're going to do the same on the other side. So I've got this little flappy guy, and I'm going to tuck this point. Now all I'm doing is rolling this a little bit. I'm not creasing because I just want to insert that in there. Tuck. And then do my nice little crease so that it fits. Then, I can open it up. And I am ready for my Christmas candy to be delivered right into my shoe, right by the fire. Only this is paper, so don't really leave it by the fire, but definitely candy. Okay, our Christmas shoe is ready to go. Everybody have a great rest of your week, and we'll see you next Wednesday for another Origami Wednesday.